My brother, are you kidding me? That I should give respect where respect is due? Don't you see that I don't respect Sako? I really don't respect the man. I am not going to act inappropriately. Sako has not done anything that I need to respect him over. If you don't want to hear that, then it's up to you. He is doing things that are disruptive. He's not considering the country first. He's considering himself first. I'm not going to respect Sako from now on. Sako needs to earn my respect. You want to throw your own, go ahead. Throw it. You are not going to concede. Listen, I know of people who respect Paul Biya. Yes. They are the people they call themselves ministers. And they are the people that will fight. And I still hear you people still call them Mr. Ministers. I don't do that. I do not act inappropriately. Respect is earned. Respect is not demanded. Sako is beginning to demand respect. You can sit where you sit and talk. I'm going to talk out of my own experience. I'm not going to borrow yours. I'm going to talk out of mine. If you think Sako deserves your respect, give it to him. Okay? When people were doing things, they didn't do it because they were given respect. They didn't do it because they were given respect. I didn't do things because people respect me. I did things and then people came to respect me. You people are not analyzing well. You think that Sako has something under his sleeve. You are seeing red and calling it black. Do that. Don't come and tell me how I need to respect Sako. You don't have that mandate. Okay, his name is Sako, and I'll call him that. If you want me, let me go further. Go and research how he got that his doctor. And he got a doctor on what? In which university? A university that has been put on the internet by the American government, where they won't even allow you use American government student loan to go to that school. A school that teaches about born again. Is it born again that is doing up here now? See, don't come back at me with those things because you will hear even more. I don't need you to respect me a day. The only title I take to myself is the one I earn and you can see, and that is Manga. Ma Mungang. Ma because I have children, and that's the title they give to people who produce children. I don't claim no more other titles to come and use it and be confusing people's heads. I claim the one of mother because I am a mother, and when I reprimand children, and he's acting like a child right now. If you don't have the stomach to do it, then leave it to us that God has given us a title. Don't come here and tell me to respect nobody. I will not act inappropriately. It is inappropriate to do that which you know is not deserving. He doesn't deserve my respect and I won't give it to him. Listen well. I don't respect the man for the things he's doing to our revolution. And I'll point them out instead of backing up. The more you talk, I'll back up. And you guys can even shut me off on this. You will still have my audio coming here because somebody who cares about me from another forum will bring it here. I don't make idle comments. You guys are not acting appropriately. You should act appropriately. If you don't want to shout like I shout, write a letter. If you want to do respect, write a respectful letter and send to him. You're not going to shut me off. I'm going to create my own forums and continue there if you want. I already have forums that I create. I am saying that if we are not willing to confront things because we have been cultured to be passive, it's not going to happen with me. And I have a right. If you insist on this doctor, His Excellency, a president, all these stories, I'm going to shatter every one of it. I am not intending to respect Sako with all these decisions he's making to destroy something that I physically, with everybody who have invested in this, put their energies in it. You are not going to advise me contrary to that. If you put effort in seeing that this movement get to where it is now, you should be mad. If you are not mad, that's your own way of reacting. I'm going to react the way that it makes me, my blood pressure stays down. Because for me to see something that is going on wrong and not talk about it, be it in this revolution or be it among my kids or my business, it brings up my blood pressure. When I talk about it, then it goes down. So don't advise me contrary to what you don't know. The fact of the matter is that I have not been able to read all these things. I just got up from sleep. So I'm seeing some of these and answering haphazardly. I like to go line by line from where I ended and answer everybody and come down. So pardon me that I'm answering you in the middle of things. But I'm going one after another answering everybody. You want to shut me down? Shut me down. It's okay. Comrades, I'm sorry. I have to apologize again about my voice, but I have something to say in continuation with what I started writing now. I'm going to come to Singer, because Singer, even though I'm right now in America, I will talk to Singer because I am a part of Singer, and what is going on is not right. I want Singer to recognize that they were very instrumental in making this our struggle stand. I want you people to understand that what is going on right now is because our struggle moved from where it started, and now it's in the hands of people who are power mongers. They don't think. I'm going to analyze Sako here, and I don't care anybody who is Sako lover and thinks I'm trying to tear him down. I'm not. I'm trying to protect the revolution. Now listen, when Sako was became a leader after Siseko was arrested, nobody vetted Sako. Sako didn't come on based on merit. Nobody vetted him. Our people, even though they voted for him, the representative voted for him, he was not a qualified material. And I will say why. One, from what I hear as rumors, and we can verify that, I will say it's rumors, but I am going to put it here, and until we verify it, we'll use it as rumors. But I think it is true, because, well, fine. One, the first thing I know, I heard is that Sako didn't have a job. He was doing all that internet thing, had no job. The next thing that I've heard while I was in the interim as a cabinet member was that when he didn't have papers. Now that is what I'm saying, that I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to put it out here so that we can verify that one. If you didn't have a job, you didn't have papers, you are Dr. Sako talking on the internet all over the place. Another thing that I'm going to say is that was the issue, is that when he got into presidency, they changed his lifestyle. They moved him, I heard they bought another home for him, laptops, all these different things. I'm putting this out in the air because I'm just tired, and I'm not going to sit here and watch things go down. If this man is not going to control himself, I'm going to go on a rampage. I am. That will be good for our revolution, trust me, than to let him gradually demoralize everybody around. If you are a leader, you don't have a job, you don't have a papers, you get to the extent that laptop has to be bought for you. When I'm sure whatever else, maybe a car has been bought for him, I don't know, but looking at the issues and the things and the way he's changed his lifestyle is the reason why now, with Siseko's lawyers now meeting with them, with the possibility of them coming out, is the reason he's trying to consolidate and maintain that lifestyle. Let me ask you guys a question. Do you think that now Sako will go and get a job to maintain the lifestyle that he has been propped up into? Is that what we are thinking? That Sako, who didn't have a job before and whose lifestyle has changed, is all of a sudden going to go and get a job because he became an interim president for the Amazonian people, that would then be used to maintain the lifestyle? No, he won't do that. He's counting on this bank account that we've been putting together for him, so that as a president, so that he can be able to maintain it. When Siseko was president, did you see him quit his job? No. Did you see him buy new cars under the money of the struggle? No. Did you see Siseko coming across as a person who needed a struggle to help him? People were giving him gifts and stuff to prop him up, and that was not something that was not anything that we couldn't do for Sako. Why is it that they had to start off by propping his lifestyle up to a level where now that is a factor that is being considered as the maneuver who stays as a cabinet member? You people will deserve what is coming down on you. You seem to propagate the idea that people should not go up and attack. because it will bring disunity. Listen, that is cancer that you guys have gagged yourself. You've sent out a gag order that is not helpful to you. Though I'm talking to this group, you guys don't have to send this audio out to another group, but you guys have to find people who are capable of going up to Sako and tell him stop this. Because it don't happen, my people there. When I care, when I go out talk all day about Mangang, and then chop from nobody's pocket. I don't move in and out because somebody buys my ticket. I do not. I'm not waiting for any man to give me more children. I'm not waiting to have somebody usher me into some church so that I can head to heaven. What else is there to talk about? I don't need to enter Ambazonia at this time. I will free with the people who want to free Ambazonia before we get in there. What else can I say? I don't come in and out of Nigeria because of anybody. My people, them. My point that I'm making by saying all this is this: that nobody will stop me from talking. Nobody. I'm a loose cannon right now because I am tired of this stupidity. If we are not going to do it orderly, I say stupidity because this is how I was talking in the cabinet meetings to straighten up the things that I was seeing that was not correct, and then you guys allowed me to be sacrificed. They threw me out and said I had something to do with the Naira hijack because I did not agree to an interview, which was all a lie. I tried to prove it. Nobody speak. Muna no go treat me like they treat Milan. I've just warned everybody. I have all day to sit on my phone and make noise. Trust me, I do. I prepared myself for that. Unlike Sako, who don't have a job and who needs the money of this revolution to wear new suits and prop up his jaws, I don't need that. I don't. I have all day. I pay myself to sit on this internet and make sense to our people. And as he does his worst, and I keep talking, soon my people will see that I am making sense. If we not go up, go talk for Sako. May he stop this madness, this preaching unity, but acting in a divisive way. If we not stop him, we not make him. I talk for this single group because I know you people have connections with people abroad. When I not start, me I go start, and I'm not joking about the people. I am pissed up. You know why I'm pissed up? Yes, I'm pissed off because I have a stake. I physically exhausted myself in this struggle. Anybody who has those characteristics can speak up. If you don't come and attack me because I'm going to attack you directly. I am like the woman in the Bible whose child was to be cut into two because the other woman knew that it was not his child. That is why I'm rattling. Those of you who sit quiet, I will assume that you don't have nothing in stake. Because it cannot be that you are sitting quiet because you don't want to cause problem in a revolution. Problem was already caused when Seseko was picked up. We are just trying to manage it, and we cannot be managing it with another big cancer in the midst. You people should hear me out. I am coming to you people because I think you are one of those forums I consider my forum. Yes, I come to you. Over the years I've talked to you, and you guys have considered some of the things I said controversial, but I stayed on and you guys allowed me. So I'm bringing this one again. If we are not acting, me I will go on a rampage. I don't talk. This cannot be. It cannot be that I'm watching and seeing. Sako has attempted with the SCBC to monopolize and consolidate it. It did not work because they chuck him off of that. He's still trying. He has attempted in many ways. He's now in the cabinet. People are not talking. When you go into those forums, it is as quiet and dead as hell. They talk about trivialities. They wait until Pobia act before they react. A government don't act like that. You have your plans that you're following. Then when Pobia does something, it's like a sidekick. You come and make a comment and adjust yourself and keep going. But this one they sit and wait until the next thing comes up. They go out and make an audio or they have a debate about it. And then it goes silent. That's not how you run a government. It's not how you run run a country. You must have plans. What are we doing? How are we going to counter this? There are people who are getting hurt in the fields as they fight. And hospitals are not safe. Have we made a safe haven in the bush somewhere where we've been able to convince some of our doctors and nurses to go in that bush and stay there? We'll bring them food to help heal our people. Don't we see what the Palestinians do and the Israelites with this? These people have ambulances that pick their people up when they bomb them or when they injure them, and they take them to their hospitals and treat them, and they can come back out and fight. We are not thinking these strategic things that will help our revolution go on. I don't want to reveal more strategic things here, because those are things that we are going to be working on. But the point that I'm making is that we cannot have the revolution be hijacked at the highest level, and we are sitting there and trying to manage it. There's no way you can manage cancer. If you don't cut it off your system, it will eventually invade your whole body. This is cancer. I've spoken. I had to sleep. So I got up to all this madness again, and I'm not letting it lie down. You people in this, sensible people in this Singer forum, you people need to see what is going on, and you need to speak, not be quiet. I've never seen where somebody have something that, well, let's put it this way. The strategy in this revolution that is going to cause us to survive is not to act in secrecy like Paul Biya did. He says it is insanity when you keep doing things the same way and getting the same result, and you stay doing it when you want but another result. We can learn from Paul Biya that he has acted in secrecy his whole life, and look at what we've ended up in Cameroon. A government where the ministers fear the president like he's God. They don't want to criticize him. Now they are running around. The president is even sending them to do things that don't even make sense to humanity, and they are doing it. That is where we are heading with this Sako. The reason I was kicked out and that other people are being kicked out is because they are not going to toe the line to be silent in that manner and let our country go down. If Milton is being sent out, that's because of it. And you guys are saying that you have not seen any communique from him. He is not a fool. He's not a fool. He's an expert in his job that he does in scamming. Yes, he will first send his surrogate out. You heard Eric Tato talking about it last time he talked in his audio. Before now, we're seeing it happen. And you know, for weeks, he's been announcing that he's going to do a shuffling of his cabinet. What kind of cabinet? What kind of cabinet? What do they do? These people are nuts. You people need to see that. I had warned a long time ago that if we move this revolution into North America, it is going to go down. I know so because I have been in it since the 90s in America, and I've seen the many attempts that we have tried to make to bring every group together, be it Adams One or Way Forward, all these different meetings that we attempted. It never worked because of power mongering. The reason it worked in Africa was because of the innocence of the African people coming up. They had their pure intention of trying to see how they can counter, and especially the South African Africans. They didn't know anything from anything. Most of them have just learned our history the way it went. They just knew that we had to counter Paul Biya for what he was doing, and they put these conclave meetings together and sponsored it. That has never happened in Cameroon. Even think about it, the recent one, I mean, in North America. Think about it, the recent one that Morris attempted. You see how it went? Bo Herbert and the money issue and the power issue, and it never went anywhere. It was until it was moved into Africa, Nigeria and South Africa, that it picked steam. You people, I will not keep quiet. And nobody will shut me off. You guys will need to rise up and recognize that staying quiet against Sako is not going to help us. Sako is already divisive by taking these decisions in the middle of everything. He is a scammer. I am using the word scammer. Why? Because he knows that if he makes this decision in the middle of when we are fighting Paul Biya heatedly down there, nobody will come out and say anything substantial except mad people like me. Yes, nobody will speak because they will be looking and saying that, but it's the time we are fighting, we need to have unity. If he thought that unity was important, would you bring something as divisive as this in the middle of this? Was Milton doing anything to stop the fighting in Cameroon? Was he stopping Sako from taking any decision? Have you ever heard that Milton is arguing with Sako in the open over anything? What was the problem that Milton was carrying out now that required Sako to send his surrogates to start numbing us with the idea that they're going to fire Milton? What is it? What is the thing that Milton is disturbing? Except that Sako is smart at his crookery, and he knows that it is the time to take advantage of the situation, because nobody will want to come out and speak, because we all have to be together. We all have to unite to fight this phobia, and the fighting is going on now. We cannot talk. We will talk. I am talking. Fighting or not, the boys in the fighting down there is going on because the boys are pissed up first. Not because we are sending money. There are people who don't have no alternative but to get out and fight or die. So we are just helping them by sending money. Those boys will keep fighting, even with sticks they will fight. So that resolve is already there. We need to come along and support them. And I know that we will. As Sako is doing his worst, we will. Because we are not going back anywhere. I'm going to end here and come back again later on. This is madness.